In this video, I will be reviewing 180 days of spelling and word study grade 1 curriculum. And trust us, you don't want to miss it. Welcome to my review of 180 days of spelling and word study grade 1 curriculum. As a parent and teacher, you know how important it is to have a thorough understanding of spelling and word study concepts. That's why I've put together this comprehensive review for the curriculum to help you make an informed decision on whether it's the right fit for you and your child. I'm using this curriculum in conjunction with From Phonics to Reading. I will say that you don't need this, especially towards the beginning. I was finding that we were doing the same things. But then there was a time in my curriculum where I was only focusing on phonics. Like, I don't do my whole schedule every week. And when we got to the period of a break, I realized that now I can use this as a review for what she's previously learned. And also, it does come with a spelling test. I don't necessarily always do the spelling test. But I thought it was pretty neat how it did not require you to test them on all 10 questions, which you can, but I mean all 10 spelling words. You can, but you don't have to. So it would give you 2 words and then a sentence. And I really enjoyed that about the curriculum as well, because in my daughter's phonics curriculum on like Thursdays, she has a listen and write dictation part. And I think that that's pretty much the same. And she got 4 words and a sentence. So when we first started out with it, I did cut off the spelling test. But now that we are not in sync with learning the same thing, I did pick back up with the spelling test, and it takes less than 5 minutes on the spelling test. The 180 days of spelling and word study grade 1 curriculum is designed to help children develop stronger spelling and word study skills. The curriculum is divided into 180-day daily lessons, each of which focus on specific spelling or word study concepts. The lessons are easy to follow and include clear explanations and examples, making it easy for both parents and the child to implement. So this spelling program covers a variety of spelling and word study concepts, including phonemic awareness, letter recognition, sight words, word families, long and short vowels, consonant blends, digraphs, and more. Each lesson also includes a spelling list that reinforces the concepts being taught. This curriculum also provides teaching strategies and activities to support the lessons. These include word sorts, word building activities, and games that make learning fun and engaging. This curriculum includes assessment tools to help the teacher, as the parent, track their child's progress. These tools include pre and post tests, as well as ongoing progress monitoring. The spelling curriculum provides differentiation strategies for students who need extra support or who are advanced in their spelling and word study skills. In conclusion, the 180 days of spelling and word study grade 1 curriculum is an excellent resource for parents and teachers looking to sort their child's spelling and word study development. With its comprehensive content, clear teaching strategies, and assessment tools, it's a curriculum that's sure to make a positive impact on your child's learning. Thank you for watching my video, and if you enjoy this content, give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye.